Feeling overwhelmed as a YouTuber? Trust me, I've been there. The late nights, the endless edits, the pressure to always be on. But what if I told you AI could be the secret weapon to save your sanity and spark your creativity again? Burnout isn't just about being tired. It's creative block, never-ending deadlines, and the stress of juggling filming, editing, and thumbnails all at once. Honestly, over 70% of creators hit burnout at some point. So if you're struggling, you're definitely not alone. Here's where AI steps in. First up, video editing. Tools like Runway and Descript can cut out those pesky filler words and even generate full edits for you. Imagine trimming hours off your workflow. Think about what else you could do with that time. Next, thumbnails. Canva's AI features can recommend layouts and color schemes, so you're never staring at a blank canvas. It's a lifesaver when you're running low on inspiration. And for brainstorming, AI tools like ChatGPT and SendShort AI can help you generate content ideas, write scripts, and even find trending keywords in your niche. These aren't just shortcuts, they're your burnout busters. But let's be real, AI isn't perfect. Pros, it saves hours, boosts consistency, and lets you focus on what matters, creativity and strategy. Cons, rely too much, and your content can feel a bit robotic. Plus, some tools need time to learn. Remember, AI can't replace your unique voice. So, treat AI like your assistant, not your replacement. It's not just a buzzword, it's a lifeline. Tried any AI tools yet? Share your favorites below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep shining, AI is here to help you do just that.